In this tutorial, I will show you how to add environment variables in Ubuntu using the terminal. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T together on your keyboard. Now we will add a temporary environment variable. This means the variable will only last until you close the terminal. To do that, type this command: export space my name equals John, then press enter. To check if the variable was added, type echo space $my name. You should see the word John appear. That means it worked. But this variable is not permanent. If you close the terminal and open it again, the variable will be gone. So now let's add it permanently. To do that, we need to add it to a file called .bashrc in your home folder. Type this command: echo space single quote export space my name equals John single quote space double greater than sign space tilde slash .bashrc, then press enter. Now apply the change with this command: source space tilde slash .bashrc, then press enter. Let's check again to see if it works. Type echo space $my name. You should still see John. Now the variable will stay even if you close the terminal. And that's it. That's how you add environment variables in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.